Here is my investing plan for 2023, broken down by asset class. First, of course, we have to talk about cryptocurrencies. My general plan right now is to continue to basically play it safe. I'm continuing to dollar cost average into Bitcoin on a weekly basis at this point. I'm keeping an eye out for Ethereum to go under $1,000, be attractive buy under that level in my opinion. Altcoins, yeah, so altcoins will make the most money when the market does come roaring back at some point. They also represent the biggest risk right now in crypto. So until I see either a significant reversal forming up for the market or maybe a even deeper capitulation in the markets, I'm kind of sitting on the sideline for altcoins right now. If I'm going to add any new coins, it would likely be some of the newer blockchains that are launching or have launched, maybe things like Aptos or Sui whenever it comes out, maybe DeFi blue chip stuff like Aave, maybe add some more to my Curve bag or some other existing bags, and that's about it. Basically, I'm looking to reduce risk in my crypto portfolio by reducing money flow to just really the top coins during the bear market. And of course, while still sitting on a bag of altcoins that will hopefully do something in the future. By the way, if we get a big market rally in 2023, I will probably trim down some of my altcoin bags. Now, let's talk about stocks. Obviously, my tech stocks have been slaughtered, not pretty, but my value stocks, which is where a lot of my money lies in stocks, mining companies, renewable energy providers, telecom, stuff like that, holding up pretty well, still paying pretty decent dividends at this time. Now for 2023, this is where I will continue to allocate money into the stock market. I will continue to dollar cost average into stocks on a weekly basis into these nice dividend paying stocks. I see these stocks as a relatively, it's a great, relatively safe long-term hold that will provide easy passive income. Plus, stocks are a great bit of diversification for my already crypto heavy portfolio. Now let's talk about metals. I like metals. I wish I'd bought even more silver last year, but for right now, I'm probably not going to be allocating any new funds into metals. I do reserve the right to FOMO buy some metals at any given time. It does happen sometimes. In moments of weakness, I have to buy some more silver and pick up more gold coins, but no plans to do that right now. They make up enough percentage-wise of my overall portfolio for the time being, and being a non-cash flow asset, they are less attractive at this particular time. Now, when markets boom again and profits flow like water, I will increase my metal holdings from the profits taken from things like altcoins. Now let's talk about real estate. I continue to go back and forth on real estate. I have been reading a lot of books on rental property investing, and there are certainly some very compelling reasons to go out and buy real estate, as well as reasons to take pause and think, do I really want to do this to myself? Overall, though, I do see real estate as a potentially big part of my future portfolio, although I do not currently own any investment properties. It is certainly something that is continuing to stay on my mind and I continue to think about and will pull the trigger on at some point. Maybe 2023 will be the year I decide to finally get involved and get some investment properties. Next, let's talk about cash. Currently, my cash position is substantial and I plan on keeping it that way. And I know cash is trash, but during a bear market, cash is king of the trash. But I have been doing things as well, like doing term deposits at the bank. I know, but the rates are attractive, the risk is low, and no one knows how long this bear market will last. We all hope it's going to end really soon, but I want to ensure that my cash position remains healthy during this period, so I'll only be using it for really limited purchases and investments during this time. Largely just going to be adding to that cash position over 2023 with any profits that come in. And finally, let's talk about my business. That's something I will continue to invest money into throughout 2023. And yes, the bear market has been tough already for that business, but the newsletter is actually better than ever. The website's getting new features all the time, like our completely massive and awesome and free, by the way, comprehensive beginner guide for crypto. By the way, links for both the free newsletter and the free beginner guide can be found below in the description. And of course, I am planning on launching even more new products like our altcoin investing course that's coming up, our wealth creation course, upcoming wealth mastery podcast where I plan on having a great conversations with all kinds of people who basically cracked the code on making money. And no, we're not just going to be talking to crypto people, real estate people, stock people, business people, much more. So watch out for that when it comes. Okay, that's it. Subscribe now if you're not already, and see you next time.